Recently, there has been an upward tick in the tech industry as companies including Microsoft, Google, Facebook parent Meta, and Apple reported blockbuster results. We have already talked about how AI pushed Microsoft and other companies to new heights, with Microsoft becoming second publicly listed company to cross $4 trillion mark. Apple, which was under pressure ahead of its second quarter results, also announced its results and reported biggest revenue growth since December 2021. We have got a major story breaking from Apple's latest earnings call that has huge implications for global manufacturing, trade, and even the future of your iPhone. Apple CEO Tim Cook ने बताया कि a vast majority of iPhones sold in the US during last quarter were made in India. अब ये कंफर्म करता है कि इंडिया एप्पल के अमेरिका में बिकने वाले आईफोन्स का मेन प्रोडक्शन बनता जा रहा है. Speaking after Apple's quarterly results, Cook made it clear. In terms of the country of origin, it's the same as I referenced last quarter. A vast majority of the iPhones sold in the US have a country of origin of India. This new reality is a direct result of Apple's push to diversify its supply chain. Cook's comments also highlight the country's importance as a booming market. He said that Apple saw a record revenue growth in India, with iPhone sales driving double-digit growth in the emerging markets. Cook has already revealed plans to expand Apple's retail footprint in the country by opening more physical stores. While iPhones for the US market are now coming from India, Cook said that the other Apple products like MacBooks, iPads, Apple Watches are now manufactured in Vietnam for US demand. China's manufacturing is now focused more on products for non-US regions. Apart from this, a recent report said that for the very first time, the US is now importing more स्मार्टफोन्स फ्रॉम इंडिया दैन चाइना. अब तीन में से एक फ़ोन जो यूएस में बिकता है वो इंडिया में असेंबल हुआ है. इन Q2 2025, इंडिया अकाउंटेड फॉर 44% ऑफ यूएस स्मार्टफोन्स, up from just 13% last year. The iPhone maker has shifted a significant chunk of its production to India under China 1+ strategy. What do you think about Apple's strategy? Let us know in the comments below. And for more tech news and analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.